What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am working on a Honda CRZ. Yep, this is the car, and I already removed the seats and the back seat, and I am planning to remove the carpet as well because the carpet is wet. And why am I doing this? Is because of mold. So the back glass was broken by a tree branch, water went in from the tree and rain, the carpet was wet, mold started to develop, and this is the moldy situation right now. On the dashboard there is a little, but it's not very visible. Maybe I change to another camera to show you guys. I mean, it's a wild spread, but it's a situation that we can resolve if we are quick. So the plan for today is to strip everything and remove everything from the car interior, clean and dry, and then when it's fully dried, I'll install it back tomorrow. So hopefully the mold doesn't come back and I get to remove all the odor as well. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video, and make sure you like and share and subscribe to the channel to support me, and I'll see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I'm done with the Honda. Spent around 3 days because it's the monsoon season now in Malaysia, so there is not much sun, but fortunately today morning there was some sun from 8 AM all the way until around 3. So I was able to sun dry all the interior carpetings, so that is a good thing. Now that everything interiorly is dry, I finished everything with a layer of leather and dash protectant, and then just to make sure that there is no moisture at all, I actually took a piece of kitchen towel to try to dab on every single surface and put a bit of pressure on it to see whether any moisture comes out. But there was none, so that's a good thing. Hopefully the mold does not come back. I have extensively remove everything, and also as a final step before the leather conditioning, I actually alcohol wipe down with a diluted isopropyl alcohol, wipe down all the affected areas. So I guess that's it for the video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.